Hi everyone, this is Kang and today we'll be unboxing another case from InWin. So this is the InWin, InWin 303 case. It comes in white and black. I'm not sure if this is black or white because InWin just sent this over. So thank you so much InWin for this. And let's unbox it right now. Okay, comes with this screw, some brackets, and cable ties. With the warranty and manual. Let's remove the case outside the box. Now I'll be asking Peter's help to remove this case out of the box. So hi there, Peter. Welcome to my... Oh, how do we do this? Let's put it here.
You need to put it here.
Yeah. Because Jessie is not here, so Peter's going to help me. Okay. Thank you so much, Peter. Guys, follow Cantotech, okay? Thank you. I'm good. And okay, I saw the color of the case. It's not white, it's black. It comes in black and white, as I said earlier. Okay, let's start at the bottom because I'm sure I can show this to you. We have here a dust filter that has a really cool pattern. This is the first time I've seen a different pattern of a dust filter. Mostly it's just crisscross. Now it's like a big X, 3 big X here. And it's not magnetic, but you can slide it off. The stand is kind of different as well. I think this is shockproof, as written on the website, InWin's website. Okay, I'm going to discuss this to you guys. Here's the InWin 303 case. You can choose your own panel design and you can request it on InWin's website. It can be closed panel or tempered glass, just like this. But before anything else, I'm gonna show you the front side of the case where you can see the power button over here. This is the reset button, an LED indicator, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and mic and headset jack. How do you open this? Here at this side, you'll see a honeycomb pattern air vent at the back, and here on the rear part you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 PCIe expansion slot. You have a slot here for a 120mm fan, and I guess let's move on to the inside of this InWin case. You can put the radiator here. It is compatible with an ATX, mini ITX motherboard. The layout looks so different. The design is so simple, it's modern, it's so edgy. Okay, let's check the back side. There's no way, but you can attach the hard drive there. You can put a maximum of 350mm graphics card here. That's everything I can discuss with the case. So guys, if you have other questions, you can check out Tips Geek's review for this case. So again, this is Kang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!